फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं ISI MTech CS PCB सॉल्यूशंस 2025 और इस सीरीज़ में हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में। तो चलिए सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे दिया गया है following code is compiled, okay, and it is being run for different values of n. This is the code which is being given to us here. It's this one. So we have to assume the FOCO system call always succeeds. Okay. So first, how many times will the string operating and systems be printed if the value of n is 1 and then 2? Okay. So here the code, if I see, it involves process creation using fork and counting how many times. Okay. So here the code is like each fork call doubles the number of processes. Okay. So assume each fork succeeds and return once in parent and child. It will lead to exponential growth. Exponential growth. So let's define. Let Pi be the number of processes at the start of the iteration 1 I. Okay, so initially P0 was what? 1, the main or original process. So each iteration does 2 fork. Okay, it calls, so each process forks, so there are 2 new processes. Okay, so then each of those forks again doubles again. Okay, so each process forks twice, then it will lead to what? 4 child processes. Okay, for original. So for each existing process, each iteration is multiplication process count by 4. Okay, so then it is Pi is Pi minus 1 multiplied by 4, so that's Pi is equal to 4i. Okay, so we count like output for specific n. So here for n1 and n2, so start 1 process. Okay, so loop runs once. So here f print f, here operating this n, it is executed by one process. So then it's one print. Okay, then so it's one print, then 2 forks means now 1 4. So that is 4 processes. Okay, so all 4 processes execute what? Execute systems. Correct? So here operating is 1 and systems are 4. This is for n equals to 1. Now when it is 2, so then when n is equals to 2, so we start with one process. Okay, so iteration 1. So one print means one operating. Then so 2 forks 1, so it's 4 processes. Okay, then iteration 2, so each of the 4 processes. Okay, so here print operating. So here 4 prints. Okay, and what is the forks? The forks is twice. So each 4. So 4. So 16 processes. So now we are having 16 processes, and each of them executes systems. Okay, so here operating is what? Operating is 1 plus 4, that is equals to 5. And what are systems? Systems is 60. So my final answer would be for the part 1, for n equals to 1, operating is 1 and systems is 4, and for n equals to 2, operating is 5 and systems is 60. This is for 10A. Now for a given n, now we will solve for 10B. It will come in the next series.